Hey guys, welcome back to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to be doing a ROTHY'S unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one, and they recently announced that they had come out with sandals for the warmer months, and I was so excited because it was just like, oh, yes, please come to me. Now, if you are not familiar with ROTHY'S, super cool company. I literally just discovered them last year, and the reason was I was looking for sustainable products to add to my wardrobe. I kind of like got snookered into their many social media posts, which are so delicious and enticing, and like, what is even going on here? Because ROTHY'S, their shoes are made entirely from recycled plastic water bottles. It is crazy. In fact, I think to date they've saved like tens of millions of plastic water bottles from the landfill in order to create these shoes. And then they are, of course, washable as well, which to me, I mean, hello, if you're a germaphobe like I am, like you come into my house, you take off your shoes. So the fact that I can like throw my shoes into the washing machine and it's like having a brand new pair every single time I do so is so appealing to me. And that also in my mind does justify the price point, because ROTHY'S, they're not cheap. They are a little bit up there. But again, I just feel personally, having been familiar with the brand for about, like I said, a year now, and knowing I can wash my shoes, they are like good as new every time I do it, and they're so comfortable and they're so cute. Like all the patterns and colors they come out with, it's like the danger zone. So, like I said, when they announced that they were coming out with sandals, I pounced. And I will link above two past unboxings I've done. The first is literally a 30-day wear test of the first pair of ROTHY'S I ever purchased. Now, I always gravitate towards their point, which is their pointy toe flat. So I bought a pair and I did a 30-day wear test. And also, kind of piggybacking off of that, I discovered very quickly that they have an extremely generous referral program. And just by people using my referral code, I was able to subsequently buy multiple pairs of ROTHY'S. Like, I'm saying buy them, but honestly, I didn't spend a dime because I just had a credit bank built up. And so in my other video, I explained how you guys can go about doing that as well, because anybody that purchases a pair of ROTHY'S, you automatically get a referral code that you can hand out to people, and those credits start building up, and then you can get yourself a free pair. So blah, 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 I'm gonna stop talking. I'm dying to tear into these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, you guys. Oh, look at these little sandals. They're so sweet. I'm loving the red color. Like, I wanted a pop and I got it. Like, I am so impressed. Like, you never know when you get a new pair of shoes, even if you're familiar with the brand, like how that particular style is going to react with your foot and the way you walk. And obviously my big concerns about sandals are I don't want them slipping off my feet. I don't want them to feel like I'm sloppy in them or they're gonna like take off without me. These feel so good, like my foot feels secure in them. And I had asked customer service if they recommended going with your normal size or sizing up, because some ROTHY'S styles do advise to size half a size up from your normal size. But they said for this particular sandal, the knot, just to go with your normal. So I got the size 7. They feel great. The plastic water bottle component feels like just a really comfortable knit. Like, it's not scratchy, it doesn't feel rough, it doesn't feel like I'm gonna have to break these in. Like, they just feel really, really good on the foot. And then also like the flip-flop aspect of these, like that footbed, I did notice when I walk, it's not like slapping up against my heel. You know, sometimes like flip-flop type sandals have a tendency to do that, and it can be so annoying. These don't. So they just like overall have a very nice, comfortable fit. So we're just gonna continue wearing them throughout the day. Hey guys, so it is the next day. My ROTHY'S dried overnight and I love these suckers. Oh my gosh, so having worn them for the bulk of the day yesterday, a couple things stood out to me. Number one, they did not bother my high arch at all. They felt really, really good throughout the day, and just again, like really comfortable feeling. Like they're not slip sliding all over my feet. They don't feel like they're gonna like take off and impale somebody in the eye when I'm walking. And then the fabric part, you know, again, those recycled plastic water bottles that creates the little knot. It just is not stiff. It's soft, it's comfortable, it's like pliable, almost as if it's been broken in for months and months and months. And this is literally like less than 24 hours that I've been wearing them. So very, very happy with these ROTHY'S. And again, I will link that referral code down below. It'll knock 20 bucks off your first pair. And keep in mind, you do not have to use that referral code to buy a pair of sandals. When you go onto the website, you'll see they have pointy toe flats, round toe flats, they've got loafers, they've got sneakers, they've got high tops, they've got Mary Janes, and now they've got sandals. But in any event, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any other questions about ROTHY'S, make sure you visit their website or leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to share whatever information I can. And thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're having a great one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!